Hanatech has been working on more than 130 domestic and international projects since 2003. We have 16 technology patents and 7 design patents, as well as NEP certification. The photo shows a multi-purpose structure in Suncheon. It is a large space without a center column due to the optimal structural design. The specially coated membrane material can be used for more than 20 years and is always clean with a self-purification function of the membrane material. The automatic ventilation system maintains pleasant air quality all the time. And the 11% light transmittance membrane eliminates the need for indoor lighting. It is beautiful in design as various color membranes can be applied. As such, hanatech is a membrane structure company for large spaces. From now on, we will explain the structure and the advantages of hanatech's Somi dome structure. First, we do the foundation work for assembling the frame. The aluminum frames processed in the factory are assembled in the field with bolts and nuts without welding. The characteristics of hanatech's design are the 26-degree roof angle, which distributes the load on the center and the wall side, making it possible to respond to typhoons, heavy snow, and earthquakes, as well as a beautiful exterior. We lift it with equipment, assemble it with an anchor, and fix it with a purlin between spans. We assemble quickly only by combining bolts and nuts without field welding. Now, we assemble the membrane materials processed in the factory by span. Tension is applied to the membrane materials with hanatech's patented membrane tension device. This device has fabric retensioning function, which makes it always look new. Lighting is not required during the day due to the application of membrane materials with a transmittance of 11%. In this way, hanatech Somi dome can be used for more than 50 years by using light aluminum fracture without rusting, and the flame retardant membrane material can be used for more than 20 years. The UN Biodiversity Conference Center, built in Pyeongchang in 2014, was dismantled after the event and relocated to the Korea Military Academy without damaging any materials. This was possible because of the prefabricated design without field welding. It is a field assembly process. On-site installation is completed in a short period of 2 to 3 weeks. Hanatech is also exporting overseas, and during the Great East Japan earthquake in March 2011, our structure being installed in Nagamachi, Sendai, Japan was not damaged. Hanatech's safety structure design and lightweight aluminum frame have proven its safety even in the greatest earthquake. The Natori structure, which was installed nearby in 2008, has proven its safety enough, as it was used as an official evacuation facility for general local governments during the 2011 earthquake. As such, hanatech Somi dome is in the spotlight for various purposes as a genre of new architecture. With 16 patents, excellent procurement, and NEP certification, we are participating in procurement through private contracts. Besides, hanatech also has an air dome technology that creates a large space with air pressure without a frame. It is used for various purposes such as a gymnasium, a landfill, and a water storage device by utilizing a large space of 200 meters in width and 300 meters in length. It is an air dome in Ochang, built in 2019, 180 meters wide, 200 meters long, and 41 meters high. Hanatech is designing and constructing with the safety and efficiency of the structure as its top priority. We are always investing in R&D to create new possibilities for large space structures. Thank you.